I really think it's neat to be able to watch the process of how we are able to take a wood chip and turn it into a board.
Then we preheat those chips with steam, and it's to soften the chip up. It's also to heat the chip up.
To the business, value to yourself, value in that, and you want to continue moving on and going up through there, that's important.
So as that wood chip gets pushed up out of the refiner, it's kind of exploding the wood chip as it goes across that disc.
And I thought, geez, the wood business sounds a little bit interesting. You know, I thought, what can you learn? Well, it's amazing how different manufacturing processes are. Wood trees, right? We grind them up, we glue them back together again and make them better than they were before. So, in a sense, we make super wood. You can't find trees that grow to density of 60 pounds, but we produce boards that are 60-pound densities. So, it's a pretty unique science. I've learned something every day.
It's open. It's wide open. I mean, if you have the will and the drive, you can get there.
And I think what's really cool about what we do is we make a product here in small town USA, the middle of the Pennsylvania wilds, that impacts the entire country, that impacts the entire world, right here locally. And I think that's awesome.
If you could describe what you do or what you make here in one word, what would it be?
Yeah.
In one word, I would say the description is success.
Let's say ownership.
It's people.
Opportunity.
It's awesome.
Excellent.
We're Georgia Pacific, and we make medium density fiberboard.